Students, good morning. Today we will learn the division of large numbers by 2 or 3 digit numbers. Students, it's very simple to divide large numbers by 3 digit numbers. You will find it fun learning this division. I hope you really enjoy. So see the steps. Now see students, we have to divide 952 by 317, a 3 digit number. So we can start. This 9 is not divisible by 317, so put 0 here. 95 again is smaller than 317, so put 0 above 5. 952 is divisible by 317 because it is greater than 317. So we can do one thing, either we write full table here or we can guess by taking the nearer number. So 317 is nearer to 300. Okay, so we can count the table of 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12 is not going by 9. So we can guess it by taking 3 only. 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry over. 3 ones are 3 or 2 5, 3 threes are 9. We see it is going, 951 is smaller than 952. So write 3 as quotient above 2, and 951 here, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is our remainder and quotient is 3. Students, here 130 is the divisor and 8476 is dividend. So we can write the table of 130 here, or we can guess. We know the table of 13. If we know the table of 13, 13 6 are 13 5s are is 65, 6 are is 78, 7s are 13 7s are is 91. 91 is greater than 84. So we go. If you don't know the table, then you can multiply it here. 3 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18, 1 carry over, 6 ones are 6 and 7, 780. But 8 is smaller, so above 8 we will write 0. 84 is also smaller than 130, so write 0 above 4, and above 7 we will write 6 as a quotient, and 780 below 847, and then find the difference. 7 minus 0 is 7, 14 minus 8 is 6, and 7 minus 7 is 0. So we check that 67 is smaller than 130. It is a very important step, students. Always after subtraction, you just check that this remainder is smaller than divisor. If it is smaller, then move on to next step. Take down next number 6. Now we have to divide 676 by 130. That means find the multiple of 130 nearest to this number. So 13 5s are 65, we know. We can multiply it if we don't know the table. So over 6 we will write quotient as 5, and here 650 will be written. Now students, we have to subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 0 is 6, and 7 minus 5 is 2, and 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, check 26 is smaller than 130. Always check that remainder must be smaller than the divisor at every step. So our final answer is remainder 26 and quotient 65. Is it clear to all of you? Okay.